Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be talking about the best deals going on over at Walgreens for the week. Lots of food deals this week, a number of freebies, and a number of super easy deals anyone can do. I'm going to walk you through all of that in this video this morning. I'll also include some pictures of items I found on clearance at the end of the video. I've noticed a lot of new names lately and a lot of good questions that are coming, which is wonderful, but it does make me want to remind you that I have tutorials on all of the Walgreens policies. I'll drop them down in the comments below, but basically I walk you through, if you knew nothing about shopping at Walgreens, how to use the app, how to use the digital coupons, what register rewards are, what Walgreens cash is, all of that I have videos for, so I'll drop those down in the comments below. Okay, easy deal. Tide Downy Bounce products. 4 for $9 on sale, $2.25 each, no coupons needed. This is a great deal if you like these products. It's also a really good deal to throw into a spend booster. So if you have a digital or a paper spend booster, this is a great item to add in there. Also, this week, the Complete Home trash bags, some of the Complete Home baggies, like the freezer bags, as well as the toilet paper, all $1.99 sale price, no coupons needed. You can do that in store. You can do it for curbside pickup. Now, I did the majority of this as a curbside pickup this morning. The Colgate, so this is one of the deals of the week. These are buy two, get a $4 register reward. So if you want the register reward, you need to go in store to do this deal. If you do the deal curbside, you're going to get $4 in Walgreens cash. So these are $3.99 each. I picked up a toothpaste and a toothbrush, $3.99. There's a $2 digital for this one, a $2 digital for this one. So I paid $3.98 and I got back $4 in Walgreens cash, making them both completely free. Now, I did one more Walgreens cash register reward deal, and that was the Garnier. Again, if you do it in store, you'll get the register reward. If you do it as curbside, you'll get Walgreens cash. Now, you want to do them in a separate transaction from the Colgate because I believe these are both deals of the week, and so it would only print that $4 one time if you do them in the same transaction. So split them up into separate transactions. So I picked up two of the Garniers at $3.29. There's a $3 digital coupon. So I paid $3.58, but I got back $4 in Walgreens cash, making these both completely free and a 42-cent moneymaker. Again, easy deal. You could do it curbside and get Walgreens cash or in store and get your register reward. Now, let's talk about some of the food deals. The Green Mountain K-Cups. Now, I rarely see these go buy one, get one free, so I did go ahead and pick them up to help feed my coffee addiction. So these are $9.49. You pick up two of them. One is going to come out to be free. That makes it $9.49 for both, or just $4.75 each. So that comes out to about 39 cents per K-Cup. I try to stay around the 30 cents per K-Cup price point, but not a bad deal. And if you have a spend booster, again, that's a great item to throw in there if you need some coffee. Now, the Cheez-Its, I pulled these out of my pantry because I didn't need to buy more because clearly I still had two in my pantry. You buy two of them. They're buy one, get one free. Priced at $3.59. That makes it $3.59 for both of them, or just $1.79 each. Now, there's also a good deal on the Planters peanuts. Again, I pulled this out of my pantry because I'm trying not to buy things I don't need, but this is how the deal would work. You purchase two of these, okay? Two for $5. There's a $1.50 digital coupon, which drops it down to $3.50 for both, or just $1.75 each for these Planters peanuts, which is gonna beat your grocery store price most likely, so a good deal on those. There's also a great deal on the Pringles. Last week, I believe they were buy one, get one free. Still buy one, get one free this week, but I noticed a $1 digital coupon when you buy 4. So pick up 4 cans of Pringles. 2 are going to be free. So they're $2.99 each. That means you're going to pay $2.99 twice when you buy 4. But there's also $1 off for a digital coupon. So that brings your final cost down to $4.98 for all 4 of them, or just $1.24 each. Now, same kind of deal with the Lay's potato chips. Now, these are $4.59. They're buy one, get one free. I had a $4 off $4 off 5 digital coupon, but of course I want to buy 6 because they're buy one, get one free. So buy 6 at $4.59. Minus that $4 digital coupon, your final cost will be $9.77, or just $1.63 each. Now, if you don't have that $4 off 5 digital coupon, you can still pick up a great deal on these. Buy 2, buy 1, get 1 free. Not a bad deal on the chips. Now, what else do I have here? The nuts. Okay, so the cashews, and these are the whole cashews, priced at $3.99. Buy 1, get 1 free. That makes it $3.99 for both of them, or just $1.99 each. And these are 8.5 ounces, so that's a really good price for whole cashews. And a lot of the nuts for $3.99. I just talk about cashews because that's what I purchased. The Walgreens vitamins. A lot of the vitamins are buy 1, get 1 free this week. I grabbed the Walgreens vitamins because there was a manufacturer digital and a store digital that applied. I picked up the vitamin A at $4.49, 2 of them. There was a $4 digital as well as a $4 store digital. The store digital automatically adjusted down to 14 cents, which made my final cost 15 cents for both of them, or just 8 cents each. And the melatonin was another one that was a lower price point. I think it was in the $5 range. So good deal there. The last item I grabbed was a moneymaker on the Revlon. So the Revlon clearance was at $1.36. This is the Skin Awaken Caffeine and Vitamin C. Clearly not my color, but it was the only 2 that were left. $1.39 each. I got $3 back on Ibotta for each of them, making my final cost completely free, and $1.64 moneymaker each. So I made over $3 buying these. That helped cover the cost of my other groceries. Now, if you're not using Ibotta yet, grab it with my referral code because you'll score $10 additional when you scan that first receipt. I have a full tutorial on Ibotta if you're curious how it works. Now, if you have a spend booster, I had a spend 25, get 7. Lots of great grocery deals you could throw in there. Here's one way that could work. Purchase 2 of the Green Mountains at $9.49. Purchase 2 of the Planters Peanuts, 2 for $5. And then purchase 6 of the Lay's. We have the $1.50 digital coupon for the Planters, the $4 digital coupon for the Lay's. I'd pay $22.76. Get back $7 in Walgreens cash, making all of those groceries just $15.76, or $1.57 each. So that's how I would choose to put it together for groceries, because I didn't need a lot of other items this week. Now, if you have questions on any of this, let me know down in the comment section below. If you're finding other things, let us know down in the comment section below. After I did all of this, I scanned my receipt to the Fetch Rewards app, because I always get points back on Fetch Reward for my receipts. You get additional points for the Colgate, so definitely scan there. If you're brand new to Fetch, use this referral code because you'll score an additional $2 when you scan that first receipt. I also scan my receipt to the Coin Out app, where I get cash back for any receipt. If you're not using Coin Out app yet, it is completely free. I'll drop a link down below. All you have to do is get the app and then connect your email. Now, I made an email specifically for apps. That way it didn't mess with my personal email and didn't have access to anything in my personal email. So that's just one thing you could do if you want. I also submitted my receipt to the PG Good Everyday program because I bought some Procter & Gamble products. That gives me points that I can then cash out for things like gift cards. Again, I'll drop the link for that down below if you want to check it out. Hope y'all have an amazing week. Thanks.